people, so we have come to this book exhibition that is near Madhapur. If you look at it, it's quite nice, huge place, and lots of discounts also. Like you can buy 3 books for like for within 100. And right now we are at the children's section. Take a look at it, quite a nice collection we have with us. You know, it's always a bit awkward to do a recording in a public space with people looking at me, but I really plan to quite a nice collection really. So this place is just near Madhapur. You could come here in the metro station. Amazing place, and buy any book for ₹99. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.